friends, we have successfully done our annual exams.
So we have got our new gift from our parents.
We issued a toy truck.
Hey, Kaustav, what color do you want?
I need purple color. Hey Samiksha, which color do you like?
I like orange color. Hey Ritvik, what color do you want?
I want that color.
Friends, we have ordered these toy trucks from Amazon.
In the description, you can find URL. Hi Samiksha, is this toy truck easy to operate?
Yes, Kaustav, it is very easy to operate. Just push and go toy car. No batteries needed. Just push this toy truck and release it.
What material used, Ritvik?
Used tough plastic.
Hey Kaustav, how many types of colors do we have in this box?
We have purple, green, orange and red.
Kaustav, I have one more question for you. These cars can go in all the terrains?
Yes, Samiksha, the tire grip is so good. So we can play in grass, beaches and snow.
Kaustav, I think I can play in the sand as well.
Yes, Samiksha, you can. Ritvik, this truck can go backward also?
Yes, Kaustav. This truck will go forward and backward.
What is the cost of the car, Samiksha?
This pack of 4 toy trucks comes around 544 rupees.
Samiksha, now we can do quickly recap.
Yes, Kaustav.
1. Attractive colors.
2. Friction powered.
3. No batteries needed. 4. 360-degree rotation.
5. Durable and anti-collision.
6. Works for all terrains. Yes friends, overall this is worthy product.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Hi everyone. See you in the next video.